Well, my daddy left home when I was 3, and it didn't leave much to mourn me. Just his old guitar and an empty bottle of booze. Now, I don't blame him 'cause he running his, but the meanest thing that he ever did was before he left, he went and named me Sue. My stepfather was quite a joke, and it got a lot of laugh from a lot of folks. Seems I had to fight my whole life through. Well, some gal would giggle and I get red, and some guy would laugh, and a boss said, well, I tell you, life ain't easy for a boy named Sue. Well, I grew up quick and I grew up mean. My fist got hard and my wits got keen. Roamed from town to town to hide my shame. But I made me a vow to the moon and stars. I searched the honky-tonks and bars and killed a man. Give me that awful name. It was Gatlinburg in mid-July. I just hit town and my throat was dry. I thought I'd stop, had myself a brew. At an old saloon on the street of Mott, at the table dealing stock, sat a dirty mangy dog that named me Sue. Yeah, well, I know that snake was my own sweet dad from a walnut bitch my mother had. I know that scarlet cheek and his evil eye. He was big and bad and gray and old, and I looked at him and my blood ran cold, and I said, my name is Sue. How do you do? Now you're gonna die. Yeah, that's what I told him. Well, I'm hitting right between the eyes, and he went down, but to my surprise, he came out with a knife and he cut up a piece of my ear. But I busted a chair right across the street. We crashed through the wall into the street, kicking and dogging in the mud and the blood and the beer. Well, I tell you, I fought tough a man, but I really can't remember when. He kicked like a mule and he bit like a crocodile. Well, then I've heard him laughing and I've heard him cussing. He went for his gun, I pulled mine first. He stood there looking at me and I saw him smile. Yeah, I saw him smile. He said, son, this world is rough. A little man's gonna make it, gotta be tough, and I know I wouldn't be there to help you along. So I gave you that name and I said goodbye. I know you gotta get tough and die. There's that name that hell will make you strong. And he said, no, just fought one hell of a fight. I know you hate me, you got the right to kill me, and I wouldn't blame if you do. But you ought to thank me before I die for the gravel in your guards and the spit in your eyes, 'cause I'm that dirty bastard that named you Sue. Yeah, what could I do, what could I do? Got old choke up and I threw my gun. Call him pawn, he called me son, and I come up with a different bound of view. And I think about it now and then, every time I try, every time I win. And if I ever have a son, I think I'm gonna name him Bill or George or Johnny or Waylon or Rambling, anything but Sue. Yeah, anything but Sue.